Hello, everyone. Do you know why a NAND gate is called a universal gate? Today, I'm going to explain why the NAND gate is known as a universal gate. The reason is that we can create all basic logic gates using NAND gates. I have a few examples in which I will show how we can design a NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, and XOR gate using NAND gates. First of all, we need to understand how a NOT gate works. A NOT gate acts as an inverter. This means when we give an input of 1, the output will be 0, and when we give an input of 0, the output will be 1. This is the basic working principle of a NOT gate. Along with this, I am also using a built-in NOT gate so that the output can be clearly understood. After that, we will design an AND gate using NAND gates. The working principle of an AND gate is that it gives an output of 1 only when all inputs are 1. If even one input is 0, the output remains 0. Here as well, I am using a built-in AND gate so that the output is clear. Next, we will design an OR gate using NAND gates. The working principle of an OR gate is that if even one input is 1, the output will be 1. The output will be 0 only when all inputs are 0. Again, I am using a built-in OR gate for clear output comparison. After that, we will design an XOR gate using NAND gates. The working principle of an XOR gate is that if the number of ones at the input is odd, the output will be 1. If the number of ones is even, the output will be 0. So, even number of ones, output is 0. Odd number of ones, output is 1. Again, odd number of ones, output is 1. Even number of ones, output is 0. Along with this, I am also using a built-in XOR gate so that the output can be easily verified. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.